In the cold silence of space, 225 million kilometers away, lies a world that has captured human imagination for decades. Today, we explore what it takes to send a robot to this mysterious red desert and succeed. This is the story of a successful Mars rover mission. Mars is not just another planet. It's the closest place where life might have existed. Ancient riverbeds, frozen water, and organic molecules all tell us that Mars once looked a lot like Earth. A successful rover mission helps us answer humanity's biggest question: are we alone in the universe? Every piece of data sent back brings us closer to finding out. But before we can explore, we need to build the explorer. A rover is more than just a machine. It's a scientist on wheels. It's equipped with cameras that act as our eyes, lasers, and drills to analyze rocks, and advanced navigation to drive itself across an alien world. Engineers design it to survive conditions that would destroy ordinary technology: brutal dust storms, extreme temperature swings from a warm 20 degrees Celsius to a frigid minus 120, and constant cosmic radiation. Every single part, from the bolts to the sensors to the wheels, represents years of human innovation and relentless testing. Then comes the journey. It all begins with a deafening roar as a powerful rocket blasts off, escaping Earth's gravity. Tucked safely inside a protective capsule, the rover begins its long voyage. This isn't a short trip. It takes 6 to 9 months to cross the vast emptiness of space. Along the way, the spacecraft makes tiny adjustments to its path, called trajectory correction maneuvers. This stage must be flawless. Even a tiny miscalculation could send the rover millions of kilometers off course, lost in space forever. The most dangerous part comes at the very end: entry, descent, and landing. Engineers call it the 7 minutes of terror, because the spacecraft must slow down from an incredible 20,000 kilometers per hour to a dead stop, all on its own. The sequence is perfectly choreographed. First, it hits Mars's thin atmosphere, and the heat shield glows red-hot, protecting the rover. Then, a huge supersonic parachute deploys, slowing it down further. Finally, a jet-powered descent stage, known as the Sky Crane, fires its thrusters, hovering just above the ground and gently lowering the rover to the surface. And then, the 2 words everyone has been waiting for: touchdown confirmed. Once on Mars, the rover wakes up. Back on Earth, engineers anxiously check every system: the cameras, the wheels, the robotic arm. The rover then takes its first panoramic photograph, sending a stunning 360-degree view across millions of kilometers, a message to the world: I made it. Now, the real mission begins. The rover drives across rocky terrain, studies the soil of ancient riverbeds, and drills into rocks to analyze their chemical makeup, all while searching for signs of ancient life. Every discovery, every image, brings scientists closer to understanding the past, present, and future of Mars. These missions have already revealed evidence of ancient lakes, organic molecules, and minerals that only form in water. Each rover, from the tiny Sojourner to the groundbreaking Perseverance, stands as a monument to human curiosity. They are the explorers we cannot yet be. And as they roam the red sands, they carry our questions, our hopes, and our dreams. Thanks for watching.